So in today's video, I added on my dialogue NPC to the horror game kit. So as you can see, you can click next. It goes through a dialogue sequence and you can, get various bits of information from the NPC. I'm going to be showing you guys today how you could set it up and add it to your very own games. Before we do though, I want to just ask if you could please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and we are literally so close to 10,000 subs. Anyways, let's get into the video. Before we get into the dialogue system, I want to address one thing I've been seeing. A lot of people have been saying that there's a black screen when they insert the kit. When you click the wake up button, nothing happens. I'm gonna address this in one sentence and it should pretty much fix every single one of your guys' games. You need to set up the kit. When you guys insert the kit into your workspace, you need to make sure that you set up everything in the kit and put everything where it's supposed to be. When you open the kit in workspace, there's 5 folders. Everything in each folder needs to go to where that folder is labeled. So let's say everything inside of the workspace folder needs to go inside of workspace and so on. If you don't do this, the kit won't work. All right, now let's get on to what's new with the kit. So there's a new dummy inside of workspace right here. You can name it to dialogue dummy if you want to better understand what it is. And then in replicated storage, there's a new thing called dialogue UI. You want to make sure that these are in the correct spot. So replicated storage, the UI, and the dummy is in workspace. If you want to change what the dummy says, you can go ahead and go into dialogue UI, open the dialogue sequence, and then you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can make as many of these as you want. Just make sure that you number them in the correct order. So if you make a new one, make sure you label it 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Whatever you want them to say, just put it in the little value slot here at the bottom. I also updated a lot of the kits. So something that I did update was I updated the starting screen script and the starting screen UI. So make sure that you update those. I would pretty much just update the whole kit, because if you don't, there is a chance that this dummy breaks and doesn't work, as well as some other stuff breaking. So just update your kit. And as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns with anything, please join my Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you out with anything that you guys may have. That's all for today's video. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.